Hi friends, welcome to another clean with me video. In this video we are going to be cleaning off my very cluttered fridge. On the top it is very cluttered, as you can see up there, and then our fridge has magnets all over the place because Riley likes to play with magnets, so I like to keep them down there for him. But there's some that I can definitely get rid of, like the Christmas ones from the Dollar Tree that were, yeah, they're all done. You know, they're just done. But we got lots of stuff on there, and I'm really tired of how cluttered it looks. Like, even if my kitchen is clean, which it's not right now, but even if it is, that still makes it look messy. So I need to get it to look nice and clean, so that way when I do clean my kitchen, it actually looks clean. Alright, so I'm taking you guys along with me. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Alright, let's put our hair up so we can get to work. I'm going to start by getting all the things off of the top of the fridge. Alright, let me get this messy background out of your way. I'm now going to fill up my sugar canister with all of the sugar that is still in the sugar packets. Seriously, my husband needs to put these on our cabinets. And here's my favorite scent in Mrs. Meyer's. It is apple cider. I forgot I had that candle. It's been behind all those stuff for so long. Now I get to actually enjoy the candle again. All of this was on top of the fridge. Can you believe that? There's so much stuff that does not belong on top of a fridge. Yeah, there's so much does not belong up there. So yeah, I'm going to clean off the top of the fridge because it is dirty and dusty and gross. Now to remove all of the magnets. I'm eventually going to line my fridge shelves with these. I just don't know when. We need to renew our zoo membership pretty soon. Now to give it a good scrub down. So much cleaner than it was. Looks so good. Now to put only things that belong on it. Now I'm going to take a clean towel and I'm going to clean off these canisters that I purchased from Tupperware a while back ago when I was selling Tupperware. I absolutely love these things. They're so cute and they are really nice. It's actually a 4-pack. The other one we don't use often, but I have it in a different cabinet and that has brown sugar in it. I just don't use brown sugar a whole lot. Our regular white sugar canister gets so dirty and grimy because sadly we use this canister quite a bit. I absolutely love this cheese grater that I purchased from Ross a little while back ago for like $2.99 or $3.99. I just think it looks really nice. So this is what I'm going to just keep up here, which is just going to be the oats, tea, and sugar. I like to keep the sugar far from the kids because Sean will put way too much sugar in his cereal if I let him get to it. I have really nowhere to put this, so I keep this up here. My stick lighter I have up here for my candles. And then I love my chicken. Gotta have my chicken up there. So I'm gonna try to keep the front cleaned off. Yeah, right, that probably won't last very long, but we'll see. And I just put all of our magnets I wanted to keep up here, right there. So yeah, places that we've been, places that our family members have been, and then brought us the magnets because I know I love to collect magnets. And yeah, that's what I got. And I made that flower one right there a long time ago. Yeah, so that's my magnets. I'm just going to keep right on this side as much as I can, and then this side I'm going to try to keep cleared off just because I like the way it looks. Do you guys like it? Does it look better? It has to. Alright, you guys, I am so happy with what I did. Now I just have to put all of this stuff away. I have places I have that I can put it, so don't worry, it's not going to become another cluttered mess somewhere else. It's going to actually have a home. And anything I don't find a home in, I'm just going to donate. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I hope it was motivating. Maybe you guys want to clean off your fridge, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!